Unleash the power of AI to visually transform your video projects, making every frame unforgettable. This tutorial will guide you through using Leonardo AI to generate breathtaking images that will elevate your video content, from initial storyboarding to final polished assets. Step 1. Crafting your storyboard. Open Leonardo AI and head to the image generation section. Think about the key moments in your video. What visual story do you need to tell? For example, type in a prompt like a lone astronaut looking at a distant nebula from inside a spaceship cockpit. Cinematic lighting, wide shot. Leonardo AI will then present you with several interpretations of your prompt. Select the images that best capture the mood and composition you envision for your scene. You can even refine these by regenerating or using features like image to image, if you have a rough sketch you want to start with. Step 2. Designing your visual assets. Now, let's generate specific elements you might need. Perhaps you need a unique prop, a character's background, or a specific environmental element, for instance. Let's try a mystical glowing ancient artifact resting on a moss-covered stone in a dark forest, detailed textures, fantasy art style. Experiment with different artistic styles offered by Leonardo AI, like photorealistic, anime, or concept art. To match the aesthetic of your video, pay attention to details like lighting and texture to ensure your generated images seamlessly blend into your video. Step 3. Integrating AI imagery into your workflow. Once you've generated your desired visuals, simply download them directly. These high-resolution images can then be imported into your preferred video editing software, like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve. These AI-generated images can serve as backgrounds for your scenes, powerful visual metaphors, or even as conceptual art to explain complex ideas. They're incredibly versatile for enhancing your production value and can significantly streamline your creative process by cutting down on the need for stock footage or extensive graphic design work. By incorporating Leonardo AI into your video production workflow, you're not just creating visuals, you're building immersive worlds and bringing your narrative to life with unprecedented ease and stunning quality. Happy creating.